Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Using an easy method. First, grasp the main goal. Launch your rivals off the screen to score a point. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental movements like walking, running, jumping, and shielding. Then, practice your basic attacks, including standard, special, and powerful smash attacks. Mastering these core actions will set a strong foundation for your gameplay, making it much more enjoyable and accessible for beginners. Let's dive into the basic controls. The left stick is your primary tool for moving your character and directing your attacks. Pressing the jump button allows you to leap, and you can often jump twice in the air. Holding the shield button creates a protective bubble, deflecting most incoming damage. Finally, the attack button executes standard attacks, and combining it with a directional input performs a powerful smash attack. These simple inputs are the building blocks of every match. Now, let's explore some simple attack strategies. Experiment with combining directional inputs and the attack button to discover your character's full move set. Each character also has 4 unique special attacks, activated by the special button and a direction. Grabbing opponents allows you to throw them or set up follow-up attacks. Always focus on recovering to the stage after being hit off, using jumps and special moves to return safely. These tactics will significantly improve your offensive and defensive play. To secure victories with easy tactics, concentrate on edge guarding. This involves attacking opponents as they try to recover to the stage, preventing their return. Utilize aerial attacks to keep foes in the air, setting them up for powerful finishers. Practice dodging and rolling to skillfully evade incoming attacks and reposition yourself. Finally, learn just 1 or 2 simple combos for your favorite character. Consistent application of these straightforward strategies will lead to more wins and greater enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.